don't see why we should need such a wastage. That's a wastage. Yes. He uses his car and two of security cars.
I see also the Attorney General has also arrived. Justin Bidan Muturi is, of course, he hails from the same county. He is also being welcomed into the stadium, meaning that the creme de la creme that we are expecting, the top leadership of the head of state any moment from now. And as you can see, the security personnel are on standby, meaning that it's only a matter of time before we see the head of state, who we are eagerly awaiting for. Doc?
Right, thank you. So once the wastages are prevented, I think we will be able to keep more cash or more resources into our coffer for purpose of using those resources for other development or other services. Secondly, as we all spoke about it, corruption.
Right. Also the Chief Justice and the President of the Supreme Court, the Chair of the National Council on Administration of Justice, Chief Justice Martha Koome, is also in attendance. We are almost there, right?
Right, I can see the high dignitaries, the three arms of the government. Now it's only the executive.
The executive that we are waiting for.
Yeah, that we are waiting for.
Yeah.
We already have the speakers of the National Assemblies. We already have also the judiciary, the Chief Justice, and definitely is the President now to follow.
And also the Council of Governors.
Council of Governors, of course,
Chair of the Council of Governors.
Yeah, but we have been taught the three arms of the government.
Yes.
And now the county governments are not part of the three arms of the government according to the teachings that we have been given. So if I talked about wastage prevention, then secondly, we have talked about corruption. That must be also completely zero tolerance. Thirdly, he must come up with a strategic priority of his manifesto, saying, with this roadmap, we will going to do this and this other phase. I promised we will do this in the next 5 years. Once we get that information on our public domain, then people expectation will be controlled, because they know government don't operate just like a private entity, and therefore everything will be based on forecast, and the roadmap they will give us is the one which will going to guide us, and we will be will measure the performance of the government of the President William Ruto based on the roadmap he has given us, based on the priorities that he has set.
All right.
Finally,
apologies.
Finally,